Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the BAEBODY Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo with Keratin, 16 ounces. It is watered down to a consistency that runs through your fingers, and is about 1/3 of the density as before. It nourishes the hair, leaves it with a silky sheen without adding any oily residue. Really good shampoo, better than most shampoos that you buy from the local drugstore. It says it fights against drying, damaged, and dehydrated hair, but that's exactly what it does to your hair. It has many chemicals in the shampoo, and only on close inspection of ingredients, you'll able to find them. Don't believe all the claims that it has a blend of organic and natural ingredients. Not sure if mine was defective, but was not happy with how watery it was. Dislike, then afterward, it was literally watery, liquidy texture, as if someone put water and diluted it. In theory, that's why the bottle is dark colored, so you cannot see that there's a small thick disposition at the bottom, and the rest is purely diluted. It also smells so good. If you have dry hair, this probably won't work very well for you. If you have an acute olfactory sense, this shampoo has a headache-inducing level of fragrance. Ordered 3 times, and it was good. The 3rd time seal was broken, and content was diluted. There seemed to be a big disagreement as to whether or not this shampoo smelled good or bad. Ordered for another bottle, and feels like someone has diluted it with water and packaged it. Absolutely love it. This shampoo is free of most no harsh chemicals that can damage your hair to the point of no return. Really liking this shampoo. Light scent, cleans very well with no excess garbage, no heavy residue, hair seems more bouncy. It rinses out well, and leaves me with tangle-free, soft hair with great body. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.